Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now the reason I'm showing you the back wheel of my e-vader is because I do have an unexplained clicking noise that's coming from this back end. I couldn't figure it out until now, but let me actually put it. I have it propped up on the rear wheel stand, and let me just go ahead and put it on so you guys can hear what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it some throttle, and you're gonna hear it right away. Alright, so you can hear it right away there. I'm going to give it a little bit more, and then you can hear it even click even probably louder. Alright, so now that you hear the clicking noise, now where is that coming from? I'll show you, and it's going to be a very simple fix. All you're going to need is one good heavy-duty zip tie and snips or scissors. Now let me show you exactly where that sound is coming from. So in case this is happening to you guys, you'll get it fixed and back out on the road in no time. Okay, so you may have guessed it or may have not guessed it, but pretty much the sound is coming from the brake cable's spiral metal thing that's hitting the rear rotor. So if I were to turn it, you can hear it's hitting. So as soon as I move it, you can hear the sound is completely gone. If I were to go and put it back on there. So now you know where it's coming from. So let's go ahead and remedy that and let's fix that, so therefore we don't get no issues with the brakes or, you know, premature wear on the rotor. So if you look inside the swing arm, so I'm giving you a little bit more of a top view so you can see by the swing arm, and where we're going to be attaching the zip tie to help pull the cable away from there. And that's going to be right over here. Let me try to get my finger there. So there's this bracket right here. So we're going to go ahead and grab our zip tie. Going to bring it in through here. Push it through the bottom so you can get the zip tie to come back up from the top. And then we are going to grab the brake cable with the metal kind of slinky sleeve or whatnot. And all you're going to do is pretty much just pull it away from it when you cinch it down. Sorry for the unfocusing, guys. There we go. Alright, so as we cinch it down, going to go ahead and cinch it down, and we're going to pull the cable just a little bit further away. So therefore, it's kind of away from there. Alright. Then you kind of tuck it in if you like, but I think about there is good. As you can see, there is plenty of clearance from the brake line from the rotor. I think that's a pretty good fit. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the zip tie right about there. There we go. And then we're just going to kind of tuck that part inside. Alright, so that pretty much is it for that simple remedy on getting the brake line away from the rotor, creating that clicky noise. So I'm going to go ahead and get the camera a little bit further back, and let's give it a little juice. Voila, perfect. No more of that clicky noise. That noise that you hear is just pretty much the brake pads rubbing against the brake rotor, but I don't think there's any cause of concern for it. It's just pretty much, you know, the pad squeezing a little bit and just kind of being just a hair off on it. Well guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you found it very helpful and wondering what that noise was for your e-vader, smash that like button. If you didn't like the video, smash the dislike button. Let me know down below what you disliked about the video to help me for future videos and installations. While you're down there, you're going to notice a join tab. That's going to allow you to be a special member of my channel. And there are going to be 4 options there. The first one is just going to allow you to, when you post a comment, for it to go straight to the top. The more fun parts is going to be on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, as those are going to allow you to watch videos before they hit the public. So the 3rd option is going to allow you to, you know, get a more personalized video made. If you are, you know, are having some difficulty with some lights or anything part of your bike, if I'm able to do it on my bike, I will show you the remedy on how to fix it. You'll also be able to see videos on me doing, you know, LED installations on motorcycles. Have one on the R3, the e-vader, and for the future it'll be the Gixxer, but any other bikes I've done, you will see it there. Then after the third option, you get to the fourth option. Now the fourth option is going to allow you to view customized videos, meaning not only will you be able to see all the other stuff, but you'll also be able to see the more of the custom headlights, custom, anything that I've done that's custom lighting, you'll see it in that particular section. And I've also noticed that you guys are not all fully subscribed. I see that I'm missing 2% of you guys to be subscribed. And if you could please hit that subscribe button, which costs you nothing, and then also hit the notification bell. That way you guys are up to date with all my latest installations and videos, as you'll get a notification on your phone or your device when I upload a video. Alright guys, well I appreciate you guys watching. You guys take care. Catch you guys in the next one.